Foreman from the road gang, grumbling and complaining. Can't work when it's raining, we're 45 days behind. He's back on the throttle, gig the high grade steeper, cut the shoulder deeper, draw the overtime. Lieber ride, burning that diesel oil, rolling that topsoil down the mountainside. Lieber ride, 10 years on the road crew, trying to put a road through before the winter time.